Are you tired of the old iPod chicken?
I am. I'm Sam Grow. Look at what happened. All the strenuous work of using an iPod chicken has really got to him. Look at his sad old face. The iPod chicken has less space than ever now. It has only 3 pre-recorded songs. So now you don't have to waste your money on iTunes.
Soldier boy, tell him. Soldier boy up in it. Oh, want me crank it, want me roll. Turn on the iPod chicken!
F is for friends that do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime out here in the deep blue sea. F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U is for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors.
When you plankton, that's not what fun's about.
CMPFR, yes, ONG song. CMPFR, yes, ONG song. And if you think we can sing it better than wrong below, but if you just sing along, CMPFR, yes, ONG song. CMPFR, yes, ONG song. And if you think we can sing it faster than wrong, you'll help it.
The iPod chicken now comes with a gun, just in case somebody's trying to steal it. Oh no, it's an evil robber! It's an evil robber!
Whoa, how did it do that? Whoa.
Remember, children, never look down the barrel of a gun.
iPod chicken is perfect for on the playground. Bum bum bee dum bum bum.
Throw that